Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos, and I'm going to start this project off with this tag that I got at Walmart. It's a wooden tag, and I'm going to paint just the center raised part with 2 coats of white paint, and I just used acrylic paint for this. Once I have that all painted, I'm going to take some orange paint, and I'm going to run it around the edges around the white. I'm going to be sure not to get any on the white itself. And then I'm just going to let this whole thing dry completely. And then I am going to take some Mod Podge and run it through the center of the tag where I painted all white, and we're going to put that napkin on it. So I'm just going to put a nice thick coat of Mod Podge. And then I'm just going to let that Mod Podge fully dry. Once it was all fully dry, I'm going to take my napkin and I'm going to place it where I want it on the tag. And then I am going to take some parchment paper and my iron, and I'm going to iron that napkin right onto the tag. And doing this is going to reactivate that Mod Podge and make our napkin stick. So I'm just going to go over it, and I let it sit for quite a bit, making sure to keep moving it around and I'm not burning it, and then checking it to make sure that it's fully adhered. And I got this little iron at Walmart. So once I have it all on there, I'm just going to now get rid of the excess napkin, and I'm going to do this by using a nail file around the very edge of where we put the napkin on that centerpiece. So I'm just going to sand that off and then just kind of pull it as I'm doing it and pull that excess napkin right off of there. And I'm going to repeat this all the way around the whole tag. Once I have all the excess napkin gone, I'm going to take another coat of Mod Podge and I'm going to put it over the whole entire tag. So I'm going to go over this napkin piece again and then also around the edges. I also, for my tag, I painted the back orange. So I also put a coat of the Mod Podge over the orange that I had put on the back. You don't have to do the back if you don't want to, but I'm going to probably put this in my booth, and I like when a project looks fully finished, so I did do the back. So once that Mod Podge was all dry, I'm going to take some thicker sized twine and I'm going to push it through the front, and I pushed both pieces through. Then I'm going to kind of loop it over the top, and I'm going to push those through the loop, and then I'm just going to tie off a knot for a hanger. Once I have that knot tied off, I'm going to cut off that excess, and that is it. This project is done. I think this turned out so super cute. Cute little bunny bait tag. Be great on a tiered tray or hanging on a little peg hook shelf. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it inspires you to make one. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on those notifications.